Canada Tortoise Capital, June 9th, 2026. Sniper trade of the day. This is SOXL on 10-minute charts. The triple levered semiconductors are prime trading target. At 1, you see the range in that box of Monday's move. At 2, you notice the last 30 minutes of yesterday for reference. At 3 was the gap up this morning. The OR10, the opening range 10, is the green box. We take the breakout at 4 with our standard risk box in semis. It fails immediately. At 5, we exit. We stop and reverse with the same stop, now going the other way. We add a position at 6 when it goes below the blue box, because why not? The whole market was failing. Collapsing dragon, the second entry at 7. Actually, a third entry, I should say. Another collapsing dragon at 8. 4 positions in. Now it really collapses. Bottoms out at 9. The RL10 reverses, so we're stalking the exit. Take a 1, 2, 3 exit at 10 at the spine of the dragon. And just because, speculation, stop and reverse with 1 position, standard risk, aiming for a return to the VWAP at 11. It gets there. It rolls over. We exit for an additional R. And it closes with one last little irrelevant surge away from the VWAP. So tomorrow it'll still be in play. That's what 18R looks like. The -1 here is offset by the +1 there. That's what 18R looks like intraday. It's Canada Tortoise Capital. Come and check us out. Keep your risk measured and your powder dry.